More importantly, I think that's a yearbook. What I will say is that we were batchmates in grade school, but he was never my classmate and he was never my friend. So, medyo nakakatawa ho na inuungkat po ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po yung mga yearbook pictures ko nung 12 years old po ako to make a connection to Bryce Hernandez. There's no connection with him. So, I think that we pointed out. Because more importantly, the more important pictures would be the pictures of him with engineer Henry Alcantara, Yusek Bernardo. Those people worked with his father in the city of Manila. Si Engineer Alcantara denied knowing Senator Jinggoy, pero he was there in the birthday party of Senator Jinggoy. And probably with Undersecretary Bernardo. These two personalities are flood control corruption controversy that are more important to be explained not by me but by Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
What
is meron siyang disclosure po nung address po ng lola ko. Doon po sa akin po ngayon yearbook pictures.